The pink flowers, these were normally $10.99 or $9.99, and I got them for $3.33. I got 4 pretty enameled flowers with rhinestones in the middle. I'll put them on my hand and see if you can get a good view up close. Those would be good to make a piece of jewelry, a keychain, any kind of thing. And then I got the pink ceramic hearts. Were normally $7.99, and I got some real pretty. I got 4 hearts, and I got the pink spacer. Let me show you. Pink spacer under it, which I've never had any in the pink. Let me see if I can get my hand back there and really show you. There we go. So the pink spacers, there's 4 spacers and 4 of the ceramic hearts, and then we have the pink and white beads in between. And that was $7.99. I got it for $3.33. And then I got, where's the other one? Pink hearts. The bunnies were $9.99, and I got them for $3.33. And I thought with Easter coming up, I could do something fun with these little guys. They're very cute. There we go. They got cute little faces. And they're pink on, I don't know if it's showing up, but they're pink on the bottom. I don't know if that's showing up. It seems, let me turn off this light, see if that helps. Yeah, they're pink on the bottom, and then they got the little pink ears and little sweet faces. So I couldn't get that to show up. Then I just got some felt. I got I'll turn the light back on. I think I can do that. A piece of fuchsia, a bright, bright yellow, kind of a medium pink, and a soft pink. And then this was a really fun find. This was on clearance for $3.97, but on my receipt it says I paid $2.97. And it had an original price of like $8 or something. But I got a little crab, a mermaid tail that's nice and small, a fish bowl, and it's, what do they call that, a narwhal or something? I'm not really up on that. Does it say? Narwhal. Yeah, see. Mermaid tail, mini, crab mini, fish bowl. It's got 4 disposable decorating bags and 4 plastic round decorating tips. And I got it for $3. So, yeah, $2.97. They had 2 left in the store. I was able to get one, so I thought that was really cool. But anyway, just a small little haul, not a lot of stuff. I did buy a few things at Hobby Lobby yesterday, but I'm going to wait on that. I'll hold some of these up for you to look at while I'm talking. I'm going to wait on that because we're going to go back there tomorrow, and if I add anything to my purchase, then I'll do that all as one little haul tomorrow. It's just not enough stuff to show in a haul right now. But anyway, I'm trying to get back on track. We were really hit hard end of the year, and I didn't say anything at the time because I didn't want anyone to worry, but we did have COVID. My husband had spinal surgery November 15th. I had to have an emergency extraction from a badly infected and cracked in half tooth 2 days after his surgery, and I was on antibiotics for that. And there was another bad tooth she had to she made out for a month after that, so I had time so I could chew. Because with one tooth, the same tooth out on both sides, the very second to the last molar, I wouldn't have been able to eat if I'd had it done right away. So then a month later, I had 3 weeks after I finished the course of antibiotics. For the first one, I had the other tooth. It actually ended up being 2 because one of them, they didn't know if they could save it or not. And while I was under, I just had them pull them both. And I had the bone grafts put in so I can have the teeth replaced later. And another round of antibiotics because there was another infection. And these were teeth that had bothered me for a long, long time, but never bad enough that I felt that I needed to have them pulled. So then, we were a couple weeks after that, we found out our son tested positive for COVID. He didn't have any symptoms really, just like sinus infection type symptoms, not even infection, just allergies. But he got a test because he stayed home from work because he kind of didn't feel good for 2 days and slept, but he didn't have any cough for a few days. He ended up with a cough, but no fever, no aches, just mild symptoms. So he got tested on Christmas Eve. We found out the day after Christmas, and the next day we both came down sick. Mild cases, both of my husband and I. But I didn't want to say anything at the time because I didn't want anybody to worry, because I know there's a lot of fear around the diagnosis, but we were fine. So we came through flying colors, but I ended up, if this is too much information, I apologize, but with a UTI from all the antibiotics I had, which meant, of course, they had to put me on another antibiotic, which caused me to end up dealing with thrush in my mouth, so I had to be put on a antifungal. So I've had quite a wild ride since November 18th, let me tell you. So that's why you haven't seen much of me. It's been like boom, 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 one thing after another. And I didn't want to talk about it at the time. For one, I just wasn't up to it. And two, I didn't want anybody worrying about us. But we're all fine, fully healed. We've been healed for weeks. No serious issues. We were all fine. Kind of went through the family because nobody knew anyone was sick. So we all kind of got it. Because we'd all been really careful. We all self-isolate. Our son, you know, thought everything was fine, but it was one guy at work that ended up having it, and he gave it to him and another coworker. And so they're working at home now. But so that's why I was missing for so long. It was a pretty rough 6 weeks. I won't lie to you. Just one thing after another. But I'm finally feeling good again. I'm a little overwhelmed because my studio blew up because I'd come in just enough to make a mess and not clean it up. And then we had to, because I wasn't in my booth for over a month, I had to go fill up my booth. I had to get out all the Christmas and fill it up. So my room got trashed going through all my boxes of stuff and pulling stuff to put in the booth. And I got to get my room cleaned up because I've got a lot of things. I've got some friends that sent me wonderful packages for Christmas. I never got their packages off, and that's what I'm doing this week. Just a mess. So that's what I'm trying to do today. Get my studio cleaned up and go through things and get everything organized and get my packages together. I did a video and I got to pack up Cheryl's stuff and that she purchased and get that off to her tomorrow. So tomorrow's mail day and I've got several packages to go out. So it's just been a crazy few weeks. So that's what was going on and why I've been missing for so long. And I feel bad because I haven't been really productive on the Sue Me page that I'm part of, but now I'll be able to get back to that. I've missed most of Sue's videos because I just haven't been watching. I've been with my husband in the family room and I watch what he likes too. So, and he only wants to watch certain videos. So I'm going to come, you know, he goes back to work in 2 weeks and I'll be able to get totally caught up on everybody. I missed so many videos by my friends and different people. So that's where we stand. That's why I've been missing. That's why I haven't been making any videos. And I was so disappointed because I had so many things I wanted to do over Christmas that I wasn't able to do because of the extractions and feeling miserable from those. And then everything else that happened. So, but we're back on track. We're doing good. Feeling really good. My cough is all but gone now. Might have to take a little cough medicine occasionally, but it's all but gone. And minor when I do cough. So anyway, I appreciate all your support. Well, I've been not the best steward of my channel right now. But I'm hoping to get back on my feet again, and that February will be a good month with regular videos. And I am going to start listing in my Etsy store. And what I decided I would do is I would list 20 items, record those 20 items, and put a video up showing you what I listed. That way, if anybody's interested in any of it, they can go look. Some of it will be stuff you've seen before. Some of it might not have been seen. Some of it, you know, might have been in a haul video 2-3 years ago, might be recently. But as I list it, I will put it up on the channel so you guys can see it. I also want to get back to my vlog channel that I was so excited to start, and really got 2 videos up and never got to do anything with it. So anyway, 2021's here. It's going to be a much better year. Everything, my husband's surgery, my teeth that have been bothering me for 10 years, all of it's behind me now. So we're going to start working on getting healthier and losing weight and all of that stuff. And I might talk about that on my vlog channel a bit. But it's a new year. It's starting a little late for me, but February 1st will really be the beginning of my new year with everything on track. 'Cause that gives me time to get my studio cleaned up and all. But anyway, we're at almost 16 minutes, so I'm going to let you go. I hope you will like this video, and if you're not subscribed, I hope you will subscribe. My channel's slowly growing. I'm almost up to 1,200. I only need a few more viewers or a few more subscribers, and oh no, 1,300 I think I'll be up to. I believe. I think I'm at 1,295. So I'm just trying to grow my channel and reach more people, and I'm hoping to, really have fun this year, bringing you new videos. And I might even start trying, I'm going to try maybe tomorrow at Hobby Lobby with my phone at first, doing some videos in the stores. I don't know, I might do voiceovers. I'm not sure if I will talk in them or not. I may. But I want to do that. I think it'd be fun to take you guys to Hobby Lobby tomorrow. So I may get a little bit of video from Hobby Lobby tomorrow and share that with you. So we will see. I'm still a little nervous about filming in public. Haven't done it yet, but I want to start trying to do that because I think it'd be really fun, because I know I love to watch people shopping. I watch Crazy Lamp Lady and Real Nifty Vintage and oh my gosh, what's Misty's channel? Oh, I can't remember. It's a really cute name. But we watch 3, 4, maybe even 5. We watch Blue Bus Dave. We buy a lot from Blue Bus Dave occasionally. We've bought probably about 10 items from him. He sells a lot of really fun stuff, and I've bought a lot of my steampunk stuff from Blue Bus Dave. Real nice guy, easy to work with, and nice stuff. So I would like to start taking you shopping. So I think that's one of my goals for this year, is to slowly get more comfortable with that. But anyway, this is the end of this video. And like I said, I will have a Hobby Lobby video tomorrow. I'm hoping to find a few other deals to add to my bag. I got our granddaughter a couple of things, and a couple non-crafting things. So it's not a real exciting, I'd be showing you like maybe 4 craft things. The rest of it's all, like ice cube trays and stuff like that they had that were really cool. I like those silicone ones. I'll still show them to you, but I want to have more crafting stuff. So anyway, I'll be back soon. Wanted to catch you up and let you know what's been going on. But and hopefully they don't take my video down because I used the virus name. I don't know. I'm not monetized, but that might not make a difference. They don't like you talking about it, so I probably shouldn't have used the word. But if this video disappears, I'll have to get in and edit it and take that out. But I'm hoping they don't notice. But I'll be back soon, and I thank you again so much. Your support means the world to me, and I will be back tomorrow with the Hobby Lobby haul. So, and maybe a little video of shopping. So I'll be back soon. Bye.